Welcome to UpLift Martial Arts. My name is Kaylin. In this short video, I'm going to give you a tour and explain a few things you're going to need to know. You're going to love it here. Here's our school. The first thing we do when we enter the school is bow. We want to stand tall and confident, feet together, hands by our side, take a deep breath, have a big smile, and bow. The reason we bow is to show respect and courtesy for the dojang and everyone in it. When we leave the dojang, we want to remind everyone to act like a black belt at home, school, and everywhere we go. After we bow, we're going to check in at one of our check-in tablets. We have one by the front desk and one by the shoe racks on the other side of the room. They're super easy to use. Just type your name in the search bar. When you see your name and picture, just press it, then select the class that you are doing. That's it, you are all checked in. It's important to check in for a class, like there are even some stripes you can earn for attendance. For example, your blue consistency stripe. You earn the stripe after attending 8 classes and showing a great attitude in class. The front desk has a few things I want to tell you about. Here is our flyer rack. It has our schedules and important upcoming events. We even have our buddy passes so you can invite your friends to join you in class. You can always bring a friend to class if you want. You can find more of the information and details and more in our app. If you haven't downloaded our app yet, it's super easy. Go to uplift.ninja/app and that will take you to our QR code to download our app. There are training videos in the app so you can practice everything you learn at home. This is our pro shop. It displays our current training tools and our t-shirts. You can wear an UpLift t-shirt to class instead of wearing your full uniform, but don't forget your belt. You can visit the front desk to purchase anything you may need, register for our events, or just talk to our friendly staff if you prefer to purchase items and register for events with our app too. These are our progress checks. They show the current life skill that we are focusing on the top of the form. Our current life skill is always on display at the front near the mirrors. Anytime you see your child showing an improvement in their behavior, please fill one of these out and hand it to the front desk. Your child will be recognized and awarded a yellow stripe during their class. We also have these new MAK life skill cards with tasks to complete each week that we talk about during class. Grab one when your family or instructor sees you showing the lesson at home, school, or in class. The initial on this side here. Give it to an instructor and you get a full collectible to add to your collection. I keep all of my collectibles in my bag. I'm trying to get 100. Here's the parents' seating area. Feel free to take pictures of the class and don't forget to tag us on social media so we can see the pictures too. This is our announcement board. It has all the upcoming events and important information on it. Right above it, we also have board pictures of a ton of our staff and students. The TV also has all of the announcements and even some fun warm-ups and stretches you can practice before class. It also includes slides of our staff showing a little description about themselves. Whenever we enter or exit the mat, we bow just like this. We put our shoes away in an open space in these racks. Make sure to put our shoes away neatly to show respect for our school and fellow classmates. If you have a bag or a water bottle, you can set it back here before class starts. Make sure you put it away neatly. Our restroom is right over here. Try and use the restroom before or after class. But if you need to use the restroom during class, raise your hand like this, and an instructor will dismiss you. Over here is our lost and found. It's right by the restroom. If you lose a personal item or form, belts, or gear, you can always check over here to find it. It's organized by like personal items, belts, and gear, etc. Here's the water fountain. We recommend getting water before or after class so you don't miss out on learning during class. If you need to fill up your water bottle from home, you can put it right here. Pretty cool, right? But if you don't have a water bottle, you could always use the water fountain. But if you ever need water during class, use this hand sign and the instructor will give you permission. When we wait for our class to start, we line up on the side of the mat. After we start class and the instructor has given us a set point, we stand like a black belt on our set. Before we enter a tour, you will see what a class looks like in action. That's it for our tour here at UpLift Martial Arts. If you have any questions for us, feel free to call us at 916-373-9789. We are all looking forward to seeing you in class. You're going to love it here. Guys, bloopers, cartwheel, and then a split. The reason we bow is to show respect and courtesy to our dojang and oh goodness, dojang and everyone in it. When we leave the dojang, we remember. Oh goodness. Give us some stripes that you can earn for attendance, like your blue consistency stripe. You could earn this class.
Ballerina cappuccina.
And at home, school, or in class. The initial on this side here. Wait, which side?
Go back to that. What is that, right here?
Bow to remember us. Wait, we bow to remember us to act. What?
Do.
That we talk about during class. Grab one when your family or instructor sees you. Sorry, sees you showing. Oh, okay, sorry. Can we redo that? We bow to remember us to act like a black belt. Okay. We bow to remember us to act. We bow to remember us to act like a black belt at home, school, and everywhere we go. Okay. Oh, I didn't practice scene 4. We have a board full of pictures with a ton of our. Wait, sorry. The instructor has given us a set. We stand like a black belt on our set line before we end our training.